Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a booking in the Virgin Atlantic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the My Flights button at the bottom of the page on the left. And first you can choose if you want to search by a booking reference or e-ticket number. So if you want to do that with the booking reference, you have to give your first and your last name, and then type in your booking reference. And after that, click on the Find Your Booking button, and your bookings or that specific booking will appear on the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.